Welcome back, everybody. Tonight I'm working on a Derby Revo Start 5 engine. I got it from Dose Cycles. I also got an aerosol cylinder and a high comp head, and I'm going to install them and get this thing ready to put on the Derp head. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Please share it, comment, do all that fun stuff. Let's go. First thing I'm going to do is check the ports for any sharp edges and chamfer them if I need to. All of these ports are perfect. Then I'm going to drop the piston through, make sure that slides through. Perfect. Okay. Now I need to check ring gap. I'm going to put the first ring in and seat it with the piston. .18 millimeters. This ring is gapped perfect from the factory. We can try the next ring. Since that one was .18, I'm just going to start there, see if it's good. Wow, both rings are perfect. I'm going to put a little assembly lube on here and install the rings. There's a little ring pin here, so that has to line up with the gap. Work it slowly, and then go to the next ring. Bottom ring's good. Now let's do the top ring. Alright, both rings are good. Okay. Now we can install the base gasket. I like to oil them. When the oil's on there, you can just massage it around. I've already cleaned up the mating surface. I'm not case matching this right now. I might come back and case match it if I need to replace the crank later. Now I'm going to install the needle bearing with some more lubricant. Slide that into the connecting rod. Okay. The arrow on the piston points down towards the exhaust. You can insert the circlip before or after you put the pin in. Usually I do it before, but I figured I'd do it after this time, just to do it a little bit different. Alright. I like to put it in and then rotate it around so I know it's seated, and I leave it with the opening facing forward. Then I press it the rest of the way in and do this side of the circlip. Rotate it around and leave the opening facing forward. Okay, I am going to install the exhaust studs. I can do these just finger tight because they're so clean. I'm going to double nut them and finish them. Make sure your rings are aligned with the pins. Use a little lubricant on the cylinder. You can do it on the piston as well. I'm just doing it on the cylinder. Okay. Alright, slide that down. Rotate the crank to make sure there's no snags. Head gasket in the high comp head. Now install the head nuts. Tighten them in a cross pattern. I'm torquing these to 200 inch-pounds. This was a super easy kit to install. They do not normally go this easy. Usually you have to clean up the ports, sand the rings, do something. But this kit seriously was perfect. I probably will go back and case match the cases to the cylinder, but I just want to get the bike running and see how it goes and see how the crank feels, and if I need to replace that, that's when I'm going to do the case matching. I'll put some links below for the parts and where I got them from Dose. Thank you.